Ever wish you had X-ray vision for business? What if I told you AI can give you that superpower? Today, I'm showing you how to ethically spy on your competitors using tools that are 100% legal, smart, and honestly kind of genius. First, let's squash the James Bond fantasies, no breaking into secret lairs. Pause, playful. All you need is data already out there and AI to make sense of it. Step 1. Social listening. Tools like Brand24 or Sprout Social scan millions of posts, letting you track what people say about your rivals so you spot trends before they even trend. Imagine knowing your competitor's viral campaign before it goes viral. Step 2. Website intelligence. Ever wonder how your competitor's site keeps churning out fresh content? Platforms like SimilarWeb or BuzzSumo let AI analyze traffic spikes and top-performing articles, no binoculars required. Pause, light chuckle. Step 3. Ad transparency. Want to know exactly what ads your rivals are running? Facebook Ad Library and Google Ads. Transparency reports spill the beans. AI tools can pull insights on strategies, budgets, and creative angles. Here's my favorite part. You can even use AI to map out your competitors' product launches by tracking job postings, press releases, and patent filings. It's like putting together a puzzle while your rival thinks no one's watching. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Pause, playful. Spy smart, not shady. Always play by the rules. Bottom line, if you're not using AI to keep tabs on the competition, you're playing chess blindfolded. Go on, peek over the fence. Ethically, of course. Thanks for watching. Now go out there and outsmart, not outsneak.